Uy, salamat kayo sa inyong tanan. Thank you. Yay! Amin ninyo, nag-video po ko. Salamat sa surprise. Char! Hala! Hala! Bidobi, happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jinky. Thank you for being so patient with us. Lalo na kapag ang ingay-ingay namin sa klase. We really appreciate all your hard work. Even if we don't say it enough, we're so lucky to have you and thank you for making our class fun and for always encouraging us to do our best. We know you have a lot on your plate, but you still take care of us. We're so grateful po, Ma'am Jinky, and so thankful. Wow! Yehey! Ang inyong regalo sa kuha magbinuta.
There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile.
Smile food.
I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different as we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. Teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. Everyone is special in their own little way. That's what you keep telling us day after day. Find what you're good at and work real hard with love and dedication. You will go far. You will go far. You will go far. You will go far. I wanna dedicate this song to you because you care for me. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher.
Salamat sa'yo, pagtuturo katotohanan ng mundo ay aking natin, pangarap ko'y matutuplan.